Weekly horoscope, week commencing 18th October till 24th of October. The preview, preview. Preview is a in which we only share one part out of all the 6 parts of the premium content. Preview is we only share the conclusion part 1. In premium content, we have transits for this coming week, transit of moon, the impact of moon's transit on you, what are the results, conclusion part 1, conclusion part 2, the task precautions and chanting. Precautions you need, task you need it to balance the astrological equation if you want to. Precaution what you shouldn't do, and the chanting how you can boost yourself up spiritually. All the elements are there in the premium content, but if you want to, then you can visit my website prakashastrologer.com and acquire the premium content from my website. These weekly horoscopes or the monthly horoscopes, even the yearly horoscopes which I produce, these are applied horoscopes. They are fully applicable, and a lot of information is given to you. You can change or maneuver the astrological equation if you want to for your benefit, and a lot of things is given to share with you. You can take advantage of that. These particular horoscope, weekly horoscope, if something is important coming in the coming week, and like as a job interview or legal case court date or any particular important meeting, and you want to see that what the best you can do, or presentation, or the particular event of the week, you want things go smoothly, whatever the help you can take it astrologically as given in this particular weekly horoscope. But the premium content we share the whole, but the preview we only share the part. But in this preview as well, you have to watch the video till the end, because in the last part of we call supporting statement for each and every sign, which is individual according to your weekly horoscope, individual horoscope for each and every sign. So we define the equation and try to explain to you what is what. But the end of the day is your choice. My weekly horoscopes are applied horoscopes. If you are concerned about the coming week and you need some sort of a support, guidance or help, and you want to maneuver your astrological equation, then these are horoscopes are for you. How important is the coming week for you, and what are the important events happening, which at what stage you are in your life, at what moment you are in, and what you want to achieve. So it's all depend on you. There is purely applied astrology weekly horoscopes. So if you want to apply and use the application of astrology and maneuver the equation and achieve the benefit, and if you want to do that, it's entirely up to you. It's all depend on, this is not wishy-washy kind of horoscope. This will happen, this will explain to you what is what. More magnifying as much we can for the complete information for the coming week. So best of luck for all of you. But kindly watch the whole video till the end. Capricorn, in this coming week, due to Venus Ketu in 11th house, watch your income resources, financial opportunities. Rahu's position 5th house, watch your decision choices. Please, if there are any confusion, you must sort it out. You must go and talk to your advisor. If you have any issue with the decision maker or legal decisions or legal issues, you must go and see the consultant, please, as soon as possible. Mercury, Mars in 9th house, elder support will be creating wonders for you. Sun position in 10th house, watch your professional decisions, choices. Jupiter, Saturn in 1st house, refrain from any kind of a laziness. Look after your health. Look after yourself. Watch your decision. You might need a completed weekly horoscope report from my website prakashastrologer.com, which can give you complete analysis of the whole week, which will define your moon's transit effect. That will define you, your gut feeling, your vision, your imagination, your decisions, your choices, your health, your harmony, your happiness. Our extensive weekly horoscope report defines you what astrological tasks you must do in the time of your need, and precaution what you need to do, what you shouldn't. Precaution means what you shouldn't do in this coming week to save your skin. Chanting will give you supremacy, spiritual supremacy. Chanting will give you spiritual help to achieve the supremacy or accomplish your objective. For that kind of report, kindly visit my website prakashastrologer.com. Acquire the weekly horoscope report, implement the report, achieve your best. Capricorn, weekly conclusion. Capricorn, conclusion part 1. In this coming week, Saturn is back on track, back on direct. So situation will improve, circumstances will improve. Financially, you will be better off as compared to past. Great improvement in your circumstances. Professionally, you will be quite busy, very active, very creative, very dynamic. Foreign project will bring you rewards, financial rewards. Success, prosperity, guidance, support, help from people around you. You got to look after your family. You got to look after your health. You got to look after your family relationship, family bond. There are lots of suspicious factors developed. Sometimes too much issues are there under the carpet. There are a lot of expenditure, too many nonsense tension. Sometimes things are going in a different shape. People are going in a tangent. Sometimes it's beyond your understanding of what you can do. But if you're in a joint venture or business partnership, then please build the base of understanding. Listen to each other. And you got to drop the pen if sometime. You got to make sure that everybody should be on the same page. There should not be any developed misunderstanding. Please, you have to be extra careful.